Alam ko maraming mahilig sa beef birria. Yung beef pares tacos, na-try nyo na ba? Meron din silang birria ramen, perfect sa tag-ulan, at itong kanilang homemade na corned beef. Napaka-solid niyan, guys. Ang ganda rin ng ambience. It has that retro vibe kaya masarap tumambay, bagay na bagay rin sa masarap nilang food. Nagsaserve din sila ng chicken, their signature birria rice, and huge burgers. This is Paco's Tacos, located sa Magalang, Pampanga. Mahanap nyo sila sa Google Maps, sobrang lapit lang sa bayan, halos katapat ng Alacrem. Open daily from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Very chill na kainan sa hapon, pero pagdating ng gabi, it turns into something of a speakeasy. Nakakatuwa, diba, na ang dami na ngayong good options to dine in dito sa Magalang. Here is a spread of everything that we're trying for today, and let me tell you all about it. The first one we're trying is the birria ramen habang mainit-init pa. It has onions, cilantro, egg, and the beef birria. Yung consomme niya is not too thick, sakto rin yung blend of spices, kaya ang sarap higupin. Bago sa menu, itong sariling gawa nila na corned beef, and this was so good. Para kang kumakain ng steak na ginawang corned beef, ganon. Grabe to, guys. Make sure o-orderin nyo yan when you visit them. Up next, eto na nga, yung pares tacos. If anything, I would like for the sauce to be a little bit thicker, pero yung timpla niya, classic pares, and in fairness, bagay rin pala siya as a taco. Of course, there's beef birria, at yung napansin ko agad, mild yung blend of spices nila. Sakto yan para dun sa mga mabilis ma-overwhelm or maumay pagka strong yung blend ng spices. Sa mga burgers nila, tignan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki. The struggle is real sa pagkagat kasi malaki pa sa bibig namin. We're having their double jump, which has 2 patties, bacon, barbecue sauce, and cheese sauce. Yung isa naman is full throttle double patty rin with caramelized onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and bacon. Panalo itong nachos nila. So parang beef birria din siya sa taas, and then marami siyang vegetables, there's cheese, and there's special sauce. Mabilis naming naubos yung fries nila kasi it's thick cut and they're using fresh potatoes, and you have an option of cheese, sour cream, barbecue, or salted egg flavor. Sa chicken wings naman, alam mo yung kahit more than half an hour na siyang nakaserve bago namin natikman kasi nga nag-take pa kami ng pictures, very crispy pa rin. This is their honey sriracha flavor na ipinares namin sa best seller nila na birria rice. Kanin pa lang ulam na. Pwede ka rin namang mag-order ng chicken na walang kasamang rice. We had their soy garlic and garlic parmesan, pero apart from these, meron pa silang 5 iba't iba pang flavors ng chicken. Sa drinks naman, we're trying their strawberry matcha, strawberry milk, and black assam tea. Apart from these, meron din silang Kool-Aid at Kali. Grabe, ang tagal ko nang di nakakainom ng Kali. So kung taga Magalang ka rin na naghahanap ng bagong tatambayan with good food, itry mo na rin dito sa Paco's Tacos.